Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Subhub Grading, Subhub Sports Cards. Today we're going to be going through a box of not 2000, 1989 Fleer basketball. That's right. Right here we got a full box from a fresh case that I've had sitting around for quite a while. I looked at the prices of this stuff and I said, you know what? Got to do it. It's my last box. We had done some packs about 6 months ago, I think, for $15 a pack. We sold all the packs and kept one box, and now I'm going to rip it for a personal for you guys. So let's go. Let's see how we do. 1989 Fleer. This should be fun. Hopefully we'll find some Jordans. Here's what the packs look like. Again, they're still pretty minty fresh. This was the top pack, which had been rubbing against the top lid. So as you see, as you go down, they're just pretty nice condition. So I'm pretty excited. Here we go. Let's go, Jordan. On top, Magic Johnson. Let's move this over just a little bit here. Can't really get it all in the picture, but that'll have to do. All right, Magic Johnson sticker. It's a keeper. Kenny Smith, Reggie Lewis, Gonna go pretty quickly through these. Let's angle this down just a little bit here. Go. Charles Barkley, not bad. Chris Mullin. My other two boxes had quite a bit of Jordans in each box, so hopefully this box produces the same. Tom Chambers sticker, Fleer All-Star, I should say. I don't think these are stickers. Oh yeah, they are stickers. Darrell Walker, Porter, Chambers, Patrick Ewing, nicely centered. Michael Cooper, Skiles, Benoit, Mike Whitson, and Brad Daughtry. Yeah, I couldn't believe I was looking at the prices on these. And oh my goodness, I can't believe it. I almost was tempted to sell the box, but I'd rather open it. It's more fun. Mike Woodson, Daughtry, Cartwright, Larry Bird, well centered. Oh, John Battle. There's a bull, but the wrong one. Horace Grant. Come on, Karl Malone, Otis Thorpe, Magic Johnson, Dumars, Perkins, All-Stars, Ewing and Jackson, Willie Anderson. Patrick Ewing again. Those stickers are so off center. Patrick Ewing. Chambers, Cooper, Ron Anderson. Had a lot of doubles so far. A lot of doubles. Let's get some doubles of Jordan, huh? Come on. Dale Ellis, Charles Barkley, John Stockton, Mitch Richmond, Magic Johnson again. That's the third Magic Johnson. Dumars. Alright, come on now. Give me some mojo. I need some mojo. I probably should be looking at the front of these packs and seeing if I can tell who's on the sticker, because I think a sealed Jordan sticker is probably worth a lot of money if it's in the pack still. Horace Grant again. Jerome Kersey, Buck Williams, Reggie Williams. Come on, give me a centered Jordan, just for fun. We're almost all the way through the first row here. Larry Bird sticker. Mike Benjamin. Bill Cartwright. Larry Bird, nicely centered. All right. Gone through a quarter of the box now after this pack. Tom Chambers, Jim Peterson, Rex Chapman, All-Stars, Patrick Ewing again, Chambers, Cooper, Karl Malone. That's actually decently centered. Not perfect, but Karl Malone. Manute Bol. Dominique Wilkins. Blackman. Come on. I'll cry if there's no Jordan in this box. One box we opened had, I think, 9 or 10 Jordans. So hopefully they didn't put them all in that box and miss this box. Here's a checklist. Danny Ainge. Isaiah Thomas. Well, good news is I'm starting to see other names here. If I had a center Jordan, I'm going to come up out of this seat. Barkley, well centered. Stockton, well centered. A lot of these are really well centered, so come on, just need to hit one now. Oh, there's a Jordan. There's a Jordan. It's got a little print defect at the bottom. Not too bad. Surface is really nice. Got a little gunk on the back there. Should wipe off. So we got our first Jordan. Woohoo! Ooh, Mike Woodson. Bill Cartwright. Larry Bird. Horace Grant. John Sally. Barkley. Actually, our Jordan almost centered the best out of the stickers so far, so that's good. If you can get a 9 on those stickers, it's big. Tinsdale, Walker, Porter, Chambers, Ewing, Anderson Cooper, AC Green. I don't like that we're almost halfway through the box and no Jordans yet. I started on the wrong side. Karl Malone sticker. Ooh, backwards card. Upside down, I mean. Another checklist. Mark Jackson. Danny Ainge. Isaiah Thomas. Oh. Here we go. Another checklist. Dale Ellis. Isaiah Thomas. Karl Malone. My goodness. 2 packs left on this front side. And then we'll move to the back. Chris Mullin. Reggie Miller. Haven't seen him. Wilkins Malone. Let's go, come on. Dennis Rodman. Hadn't seen him yet. Kevin Johnson. Dantley. Jeff Malone. Scottie Pippen on the back. Larry Bird stickers. Marley. Hershey Hawkins, rookie. Bernard King. Rick Barry. Roy Henson. Kiki. Danny. Mike. Rambus. And Pippen. Alright. Starting off on the back row now. Good news is starting to see some new players. Hopefully we find the one player we're looking for here. Oh, Mike McGee. Oh, John Paxton. Ken Norman. Robert Parrish. Charles Oakley. Excuse me. Alright. I'm getting nervous. Not gonna lie. Tom Chambers. Akeem. Daryl Bailey. Chris Mullen. Byron Scott. Elijah Drexler. Worthy. Carl Malone, that's well centered. It's a nice one. Oh, there we go. Oh, and it's not bad. It's not bad. Another card off the back there. The back.
Yeah. You don't fit. No, you don't fit.
Got a little white on the red there. But probably a 9, I would guess.
Okay?
Based on centering. It's off a little bit right to left. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Alright. We got our first Jordan. Let's find all those doubles. So we got 2 Jordans so far. 1 sticker, 1 regular.
No, you can't play.
Johnson.
No, John. Dude, why did you just change it? Dude, why? Dude.
Oh, there's another Jordan. Again, decently centered. Again, with the little defect on the bottom.
Yeah, I can.
Again, if we can hit 9s on those, that's huge. Even 8s are solid.
Let's go in. Let's go in. Yeah, let's go in.
Hey, Blake. Hey, buddy. Okay, you gotta keep it down, okay? He's playing Fortnite. Stockton. Assist leader. Three Jordans. There's a Barkley. I mean, look at that centering compared to the Jordan. I mean, I'd much rather have that Jordan sticker centering. Woodson. Cartwright. Larry Bird again. The Larry Birds are dead on centering. They look really nice. I'll have to grade those. Magic Johnson sticker. Patrick Ewing. So neat. I gotta say, it's so nice, like, opening up these old vintage packs. Just reliving, like, my childhood, and just, they're so, like, crisp and clean. You know, it's just, it's nice. I like it. Even though you don't get the glam and the foil cards and all that stuff. Just something about this vintage stock. Even the sound of it when you just skim through it. It's really nice. Alright. Come on, MJ. Show your face. Patrick Ewing. Dominique Wilkins. Alright, so I only have one row left, guys. One row left. And it's the back right row. Be a good row to us. Be a good row. Starting off right. There's another Jordan. This one's kind of got a weak corner on the top. Still has that defect down there. But centering is pretty good. Again. Scottie Pippen. Reggie Miller. Dennis Rodman. Solid pack. So far I got 3 stickers and 1 regular flair card. Barkley. Wilkins.
I see a name tag too.
Chapman. Marley. Hershey Hawkins. Let's go, MJ.
I just right
Manute Bol. Bol's dad. Magic Johnson sticker. Isaiah Thomas. Karl Malone. Mark Aguirre.
I'm gonna pump again.
Isaiah Thomas sticker. Come on. Dennis Rodman. Kevin Johnson. Clear checklist. Five packs left. Patrick Ewing. Scottie Pippen. Yeah, I've got so many doubles of everybody except the one guy I want. You just never know with this stuff. Just give me one more, please. One more. There's Cheeks, Rod Higgins, Strickland, English, Eaton, Rivers, Hershey Hawkins. Got 3 more packs, guys. 3 more packs. There they are. Well, it was fun, regardless of what I pulled. Chris Mullen, James Worthy, Clyde the Glide, Mark Price, Mike McGee, John Paxton, Robert Parrish, Glenn Rivers, Chuck Pearson, Cummings, and Oakley. Down to our last 2 packs, guys. Last 2 packs. Larry Bird, completely off center. Karl Malone. Alright, last pack. Last pack mojo. Rookie mojo. Those are going in to get graded. This next sub. Chambers on top. Rodman. Dantley. Kevin Johnson.
I hear you, I hear you, I hear you. 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 Yeah.
Danny Ainge. Chris Welp. Lester Connor. And Isaiah Thomas. So that was it, guys. These are the best hits I got. Got a Jordan sticker. Another Jordan sticker. Karl Malone. Well centered. And another Jordan sticker. And then the hopefully PSA 9 Michael Jordan. So thanks for hanging out, watching me break this box. Hopefully we'll have some more fun boxes to break here in the future. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, follow, comment, whatever you like. If you want to join our subgroup, it is on Facebook. Type in Subhub Grading. Ask a few quick questions. We'll get you in, get your stuff subbed. Right now, BGS has just raised their prices. So, not sure how I'm going to do it moving forward, but there'll be some changes coming for the BGS subs. There's also 2 new subgroups that are out, or I'm sorry, grading companies that are out. HGA and CSG. I'm also entertaining SGC. So there's going to be some changes coming up to the page. Hopefully you guys can be there to witness it firsthand and get into the group subs right away. Get some new and exciting cards back from these new companies. I'm excited to see how these new companies do compared to the big dogs. And yeah, so thanks for watching. This is Subhub, and I'm out. Kobe. The beast.
No.